The faster you can turn glass slides into superb quality images, the sooner they can be used to guide treatment and empower clinicians to make informed patient care decisions. Philips Pathology Scanner SG family are an integral component of Philips IntelliSite Pathology solution, an innovation designed to change the way you do pathology. Since all Philips SG scanners share the same DNA, you can count on superb quality images, an exceptional scanning experience, and a digital pathology network designed around your laboratory's needs to help accelerate the path from images to answers. Ready to scan? Simply load the scanner, close the door, and walk away. The Pathology Scanner SG does the rest, automatically, to minimize operator time so your staff can focus on things that matter most. You never waste a moment with a Philips Pathology Scanner SG, thanks to workflow optimization. While one slide is being scanned, the next one is already picked up and ready to be placed on the stage as the current scan finishes. LEDs signal whether a rack is being scanned, planned, or completed, and you can prioritize the order of the rack without interrupting scanning. The Pathology Scanner SG's optical system delivers continuous autofocus for precise, efficient scanning. It automatically adapts the scanned region to the shape of the tissue to reduce overscanning and accelerate throughput. Pathology Scanner SG delivers consistent accuracy and image quality due to an optical system designed as a single optical path, resulting in stable and reliable image acquisition for enhanced diagnostic confidence. With its 3D-ready hardware, the Pathology Scanner SG is prepared for multi-layer scanning. To make sure focus remains constant across various regions, Pathology Scanner SG employs an advanced focus actuator. Focus images are acquired at the full width of the sensor to maintain settings during the entire scan, while the focus objective is checked and adjusted every 16.5 micrometers, resulting in 99.5% first-time right image acquisition. Slide scan assurance is performed before every scan to ensure scanning only takes place once the quality parameters have been checked and qualify. Stage, camera, and light source are constantly monitored during acquisition. Images are captured in a centralized informatics platform, optimized around each pathologist's workflows for easy interfacing with AI tools and algorithms, helping to further reduce laboratory costs and enhance diagnostic capabilities. The digital slide tray with case details provides a clear overview of the case, making it simple to organize, access, review, manage, and present cases. Philips Image Management System turns data into actionable insights to help drive the right care in the right sequence at the right time. Because the sooner referring physicians have their results, the earlier treatment can start, leading to improved patient care.
Philips.